Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Cinnado indoor security camera. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and give someone access to your camera. Maybe you're out on vacation and you want them to have access to your camera. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the WansView Cloud app. Now, this is already assuming that you've already connected your indoor security camera to the WansView Cloud app. If you haven't already, I've actually made a video on this which you can check out on my channel. Next, click on the gear icon of the device which you want to go ahead and share. Next, click on Device Sharing, then click on Invite New Members. And this is where you need to enter your member's email, phone, or third-party quick login. And with that, click on Confirm so that they can go ahead and access your device. Now, it is important to note that they also need to install the WansView Cloud app in order to see your device. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your Cinnado indoor security camera with someone else. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.